Hi, my name is Emmett. I'm a student content creator and honestly just someone trying to figure things out just like everybody else. But here's what I know, I love storytelling, whether through editing, filming, or just sharing pieces of my life. Creating something that connects with people has always been my thing. I spend my days balancing school, hitting the gym, grabbing coffee on the go, and now I want to share that journey here. The highs, the struggles, and the random adventures because I think there's something special in everyday moments. This thing, yo, so big day today, got the audition, and I'm gonna meet this guy. I'm gonna get ready. Yun, so tapos na tayo sa audition for television commercial. Wala akong tulog pero ayos lang. Worth the wait, you know, for Kelly. If hindi nyo pa alam, pinunta ko dito si Kelly Wakasa, a YouTuber and filmmaker known for his raw and cinematic style and his just do what excites mindset. He started out making skateboard videos and now he's all about lifestyle and vlogs, chasing experiences, and inspiring people to live fully, which is na-inspired din ako. Pagkatapos nun, it felt like perfect timing kasi kinabukasan nun, panibagong academic year na naman. And honestly, it felt different this time. Parang fresh start. Not just for school, but for everything I want to work on. Fitness, creativity, and of course, itong channel na to.
Pag-duration na yan, napag-duration ka niya. Parang kita.
Oo, kita ko ngayon sa lapit nila eh. Yun nga. Pag natutunan sila.
Nagpupunta ako dito.